a gas motor on their boat, and I just don't think that's fair. I mean, they don't use it. The motor's not in the water. All boats and watercraft exceeding 18 feet in length are prohibited from the waters of the reservoir. Inflatable boats or watercraft must exceed 7 feet in length and be constructed of durable corded fabric reinforced with cloth, coated, and have at least 2 separate buoyancies, air chambers excluding inflammable flooring and bottom. It's in this dam. When we buy our license and stuff, I bought 2 sets of license with $64 for my wife and I. I caught my first fish when I was here. I was 5 years old, right on the other side of the boat dock, right over to my dad and I. I caught my first trout. And boy, things have they ever changed since then.
Yeah, then we cleared out. That was a mistake. I mean, I love that.